5 reasons why multifamily real estate is a great asset. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a great investment opportunity, multifamily real estate may be the way to go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Here are 5 reasons why multifamily real estate is a great asset. Number 1, the industry is still in its infancy and has yet to reach maturity. There are plenty of opportunities for growth ahead. Number 2, similar to other asset classes, multifamily investments have diversification benefits. You can invest in various locations, property types, and sizes, which helps reduce the risk of exposure to one area or type of property. Number 3, multifamily real estate is a cash flow business. You can use the income from your properties to pay your expenses, and you don't have to put in much of your own money, if any at all. For example, if you want an apartment building but don't have enough money for all the units at once, you can build it over time with your earnings from the properties you own. The ability to leverage your assets is powerful. This way, even if interest rates go up drastically overnight, there would only be a small impact on your portfolio. Number 4, multifamily real estate is very flexible. You can invest in all types of properties, from single-family converted to multifamily homes, garden apartment complexes to multi-tower apartment complexes. Number 5, population growth is fueling the need for multifamily real estate. We are living in a world where people are more mobile than they've ever been before, which means that there is growing demand for multifamily housing in cities throughout the country. You get the idea. Multifamily investments are a great way to diversify your portfolio and grow your net worth over time, which makes it an excellent long-term investment strategy for any investor, big or small. Please comment below with other reasons why it's a great asset. Please like and subscribe to see other videos. Thanks for watching.